laptop everywhere I go, attempting to do uni work and always keeping up with the goss and emails with my friends. My friends often laugh when they listen to my MP3 player because it can go from something like very housey and dramatic to, you know, Disney or a bit more fun, some old school Mariah Carey or Britney Spears. Who am I? I'm Carly.
Everything you've got is inside your personal computer. Everything. So what happens if a stranger gets in to see what you're all about?
I've been living here for far too long now, living with the family. It's time to bust out of here, get a new place and find someone cool to share that new place with me. I've got my sister Lindsay here with me today. She knows me really well and helps me make a lot of important decisions. So we're going to go through 3 different people's personal computers and find out who I'm going to meet or delete. Let's check out computer number 1.
I've got a massive wardrobe, so that would definitely be the best thing about living with me.
This is stuff they've sold. A Mimco bag, Miss 60 skinny leg jeans, size 29. All right, the same size as me, so we can swap clothes. Even better in a flatmate. Emails. Oh no. What? You wet your pants? Did you literally wet her pants?
I had my bag sitting on my lap and I had a water bottle in the bag, and it leaked, and then I had water all over my crotch, and so it looked like I'd wet my pants.
She's female, she's interested in men, she's single, she's looking for whatever she can get.
That makes me sound desperate.
Photos. Is that power lines? That would be really worrying. A little bit dangerous.
That's not me, that's a guy that is a rock climber in China.
Oh, hang on, is this someone look different? I'm so confused.
Oh, really? Oh, that's a horrible photo.
Oh, hey, who's that? Is that the same one? I don't know, but he has some facial hair. I'm presuming it's mad.
No. Dirty mustache.
If I was your flatmate, I don't think you'd be bored very often.
Let's check out music. Here we go. Limp Bizkit, Bee Gees. When you got Ozzy Osbourne, and then the Bee Gees.
I love the Bee Gees. Bee Gees go off.
You don't really want Ozzy Osbourne screaming at you all night, do you?
Not quite.
Oh, poetry. I like people that do poetry. It means they can think a lot, like, internally about themselves and stuff. Mum, you are so stupid. Why won't you get off my case? You're so stupid. I want to punch you in the face.
Do you open the one that's like, I'm gonna kill you, Mom?
Everything nice that we just said about it is just gone.
I'm sorry, Bob. There were rough patches, and that was written during one of them.
What the hell?
I love that photo.
I'm really worried about these. Do we want to open them?
What was that?
Yeah,
I'm reading that now.
We just had a big one on the town, and we come back and had an itchy bum, and I took a photo of myself scratching my bum, and then we observed how funny it looked.
Person number 3?
People call me Caddy. Oh, that's the worst.
Favorite artists? Daft Punk, The Vines. Mum?
Mum's actually a band.
I'm a 21-year-old student studying fashion design at RMIT. Art student. Maybe she has a subscription to magazines. My pictures. Reckon that could be the person? Could be. Could be.
So she dyed her hair, is it the same one?
I'm so confused right now.
I dyed my hair brunette when I decided I wanted to do fashion design because I didn't want to be a blonde fashion designer, pretty much, which is a dream.
You reckon she drew it? Looks like a drawing. Yeah. It's only hand drawn.
That's actually my logo for my label.
3 girls that are in a lot of the photos, and I'm really, really confused. Could be her. I mean, really, why would you have photos of someone else with the toga?
Yeah, so with the blonde hair and the dark hair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We've got that. Now I've got to figure out who I want to meet or delete. Hey guys, I had a really good time going through your files today. Emily, you're well-travelled and well-dressed, and I feel that we have heaps in common. Anthony, I love your jokes and your photos. You've got a great sense of humour. Kate, what a party girl. You and your mates seem like you have heaps of fun. But as you all know, I can only choose one flatmate. Anthony. I love that you can have a laugh, but I wouldn't want to wake in the middle of the night to the sounds of Ozzy Osbourne or the Bee Gees. So, you are deleted.
It's the truth though, man. I wouldn't want to wake up to the sounds of Ozzy Osbourne screaming at me. But I can't believe that's a reason.
Kate, I like that we share an interest in fashion, but I love sharing clothes and I couldn't find what size you are. So, you are deleted.
She picked me.
Oh, well, I think I would find it a little bit frustrating living with someone that could remember your name, because it's actually Katie, not Kate.
So, Emily, looks like it's you. Let's meet and find a new place.
Yay! Congrats.
Hello! You must be Emily. I'm good, how are you? Good. Have a seat.